ang unang-unang puntos ni Joel Malupiton dito sa MPBL.
Yes, it is! Pinoy sa Uragi approves with the online sensation Joel Ravanera aka Malupiton making his debut as well para dito sa Binyan. It's our main attraction for tonight. It's Binyan versus Mindoro. Two teams from the South collide here. Final stint in the North. Malupiton is just ready to go
The most scouted MPBL player, right?
sa ating preseason.
Oh, totoo ka dyan. And when you look at the roster that they have, both these are very deep teams. Quickly, we see
Raymundo, pinabantay ni RJ Ramirez. Pamboy, pass inside, Gimpayan off the glass in in.
And one thing you like about Team Binyan, that beautiful pass.
Gimpayan, papunta kay Pamboy. Entry pass, Ballesteros will score underneath.
Very early, you see yung very wow, look at that skip.
JC Recto with a strong drive, going for the reverse.
Oh my God!
Preseason?
No.
Oo.
With Clint
Escamis,
Escamis, right,
tama.
right. Their first season.
That was back when pinayagan pa with the special cab
SGL.
license,
Right.
SGL.
Don't you just love teams that actually execute very well on a half-court set? And you can see the half-court set of CF3 right there by Bam Lopez. And we'll talk about Bam later.
Finish. Caspe, forward pass. Ramirez, short stab is good.
In my opinion, one of the guys that will benefit.
Joel Ravanera is about to check in.
Nice pass.
Magat lays it up and in, and Caspe taking no prisoners whatsoever.
Oh.
Off his stint with UST. Caballero, the spin, makes the basket plus a foul.
That's what you're getting with Nick. And he immediately positions himself in situations like this on a downhill. Spun against two defender and went to that second step before he finishes on that layup in the paint.
Bonifacio. Hand off to Malupiton. Ravanera against Hoson. Hoson stealing his pocket. Enzo Hoson will lay it up and in.
Well, Enzo Hoson tried to get in there on that dribble.
Here we go.
Ito bang unang-unang puntos ni Joel Malupiton dito sa MPBL?
Yes, it is! Pinoy sa Uragi approves. Second free throw by Ravanera. Short. Mindoro with a 2-point lead. Ozon up top. Fires a free. It's good.
Little mind games here between Enzo and number 7. Tubig kagad si Joel.
Under 2 minutes left. Andrews cleared for takeoff. He scores in traffic for Mindoro.
End-to-end act.
Malupiton for 3. No. And it will result into a shot clock violation against Binyan.
That was a good look for Joel. He was free. And he tried to release it.
Pero wala siya sa balancing.
Wala sa balancing nga lang.
You gotta give him credit. He's really trying to play his heart out here.
Correct.
Ito, mabantay din.
He's been in there for what? See a 3 right there by Ken Bono. He's been here for what? 5 minutes already of game time, MPBL.
Ay pag-agawad pa sa rebound eh. Caballero off the glass and in. Nick Caballero with 4 points. 8,000 on Facebook.
Joel getting his free throw.
Mike Mabula hitting a jumper. KG to Damian Lasco. Spins inside. Lasco off the glass and in.
Another matic scorer.
At 5. Gamalinda escaping.
Oh, wow.
KG Canaleta to score 2 points for Mindoro. Heading into the 8th season.
Oh, they have more shot selections now than just get a paint touch and spray it outside. Matter of fact, they led last season in three-point attempts. As you see a basket right there by Nino Canaleta. Mindoro last season averaged of, which is not bad, but again, may mga laro kasing kailangan mo yung mga puntos na katulad nito eh. Yung mga malalalim nasa loob ng paint.
Pero yung tinatakbo nila yun,
Iba,
ibang-iba.
iba.
Cabanyero for free, short. Jopet Soriano, napulot yung bola. And able to pasay.
From Pasay, that's right. He's one of the guys that really impressed me in Pasay, si Jopet Soriano.
What a pass and what a finish. Recto connecting with...
Desidido na atake at titira. Last season, hindi ganun yan si Nicky. Now, and Mike Maestre.
Pass to Bam Bam Gamalinda. Caspe. Cross court. Ramirez bubukol sa tres. Yes!
RJ.
MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Soriano sa loob. 2 more points.
A lot of dry benchmark against Abra.
Kutyaman bubukol sa tres. Gets it to go. Back to JC Recto miss. Dangerous pass, Recto in transition. A dangerous proposition, and that's exactly why the finish plus a foul. What an impressive debut.
For blue shirts running alongside, but Recto, JC really just flying over. Magawa niya last season, si RJ Ramirez. Really for the
Guy who can attack down here. Here he is in transition. Binitbit over Jopet Soriano.
And he knows how to
7
finish.
points.
Yeah, he knows how to finish. That's the thing.
Wow, what a move! Nick Cabanyero leaving his defender in the... Magat, Ashon Andrews, and Bam Bam Gamalinda. Iniba rin ni Coach Boyet yung kanyang lineup here. Damian Lasco, who came off the bench, now starts the third. Correct this one. Extreme ang subok at kompletong compliance brand now. Lasco to Bonifacio at the corner is Ravanera. Bonifacio takes it anyway and scores. Bonifacio forcing it up over Bam Bam Gamalinda. Also with a running start, no look pass. Ashon Andrews cleared for takeoff.
You have a couple of athletic wingmen running down there.
Malupiton attacks. Asking for a foul.
See this drive. Baseline side. Ilang bunggo yun, hindi niya maiiwan. Ang haba rin naman kasi at tangkad ni Ashon Andrews.
Remaining in the third, Gamalinda. Creating space.
Yeah.
Nice looking jumper over Warren Bonifacio.
So good at it. Put too small ba towards an opponent. There's that shot. Kobe-esque, so to speak. Ayun o.
Yun na ba yun? Aba, simple free throw para sa Binyan.
50% from the line yan. Ooh.
1 out of 3. At the line from Joel Ravanera. De La Cruz! Putata, inabot kay Jason Ballesteros.
And Ballesteros timed that perfectly at the apex of that shot.
Huli ka! Sabi ni Balik. Mindoro compared to only 2 for Binyan. Gamalinda, fadeaway J. Gets the friendly bounce.
Favorite move ni Bam Gamalinda.
Okay, si Pamboy para sa 3. Binyan having trouble putting the ball in the basket. Ashon Andrews. Nice pass to Enzo Hoson, who gets the back shot to goal. Mindoro is now up by a dozen.
Did out half-court set.
Gamalinda, hand off to Josh Tagala. Magat at the free throw line, takes the jumper, it's good.
Ooh.
Oops. Padlock. Renzo. Bounce pass to Gimpayan. The one-hander will trickle in finally for Binyan.
Late shot clock, pero ang and his wife, happy viewing, Coach Don.
Recto pull-up jumper. 11 points with 5 assists just to beat the buzzer. JC Recto, good as
May pagkakataon na lumapit at makakuha ng paint touches and paint scoring.
Obviously, this is the preseason, so a lot of things for Binyan. No? Yun naman yung purpose. They have a lot of pieces added on to this roster. JC Recto with 4 Basilan. And now has found himself a meaningful role.
Ang daming tao palagi dun sa sa venue sa Mindoro when we cover games there. I'm sure mas lalong dadami yung mga
field goal conversion. Poy sa loob, big boy, 2 points.
Season dito sa MPBL, kaya gusto nilang ulitin yon. Kaya naman dinagdag na itong mga panibagong malalarong ito na hopefully pagdating doon magawa yung if you have to contend with him underneath for low post action, even rebounding. Kujamat again with another basket.
Si Marvin Jonicio is still with them. How about their run? No, just fell short against Quezon. They were able to beat Basilan. Poy Akdum with a 3. Jackson Corpus.
Oh yes.
Those monstrous double overtime game that they had. Diba?
Oh, tayo yan
Kaya nga.
Sa Malolos, Bulacan.
Oo, sa Malolos.
Na dalawang
Brand ng Pilipinas.
Si Atan ba bibigyan ng jersey si Boss Atan?
Aba, ewan. Natin to.
So I think for this week, ito na ba yung last playing day here in
Sa Caloocan.
Caloocan? Yeah.
Oh,
For
this
the
week.
Yeah, this week, right.
Bukas, sa Paco na tayo.
Ano rin matitibay na mga...
We are down to our final 2 minutes.
Alam mo kung sino nakinabang dito sa mga laro natin ngayon, tingin ko?
Oh.
Yung mall na katabi natin. Dami sigurong dyan muna nagkita bago tumuloy dito.
Big boy sa loob.
Ibang klase talaga yung take-off dito ni Poyak 2.
Tolentino.
Kanya nun. Sobrang dami nun.
7.
7, yeah. 7 dunks.
Record yun.
Yeah. That happened in